Are you looking for the best heating pad? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best heating pad on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall heating pad. It was consistently the hottest of any plug-in model we tested, with a measured maximum temperature of 121.3 degrees Fahrenheit. It also heated up extremely evenly, showing only a few degrees of variation between the center and corners. This, surprisingly, is a unique quality compared to other pads. It has a wide range of heat settings, and you can toggle the 2-hour auto shut-off on and off, so it's possible to keep the unit running for as long as you'd like. While it has become standard among plug-in pads, this one is also machine washable. Despite all of our praise, this heating pad isn't perfect. It is a general use pad and not designed for one specific body part. Our tester noted, it doesn't conform particularly well to the neck or shoulders. It can slide off the shoulders and neck easily since it is not weighted and lacks a tie down. Even though we love all the heat settings, they're simply numbered 1 to 6, instead of corresponding to an actual temperature. Despite these shortcomings, this pad delivers what we need the most, a hot, consistent heat source with user-friendly features. If you are shopping for a heating pad specifically for the neck and shoulders, check out the Number 2. Best bang for your buck. This pad gets nice and hot in the microwave and does so quickly. It reached 100 degrees Fahrenheit in only 1 minute and had the highest maximum temperature of any pad we tested, 121.8 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a nice weight to it, which is a soothing feature in its own right, even without heat. It is just the right dimensions for shoulders and legs, and feels nice across the neck and face. The exterior fabric is also super soft, so it feels great even placed directly against the skin. We should note this is one of the few models in our lineup that isn't machine washable. As a microwavable pad, it also doesn't generate its own heat, so it starts to cool down the moment you remove it from the microwave. Its length is an asset for simultaneously covering larger areas like a shoulder and part of your back, but it also means that it must be folded in half to fit on the carousel of most microwaves. Minimal gripes aside, this is our favorite microwavable option for folks who desire simplicity or have hesitations about keeping a heating element plugged in for hours. If you prefer a machine washable heating pad that you can plug in, we like the Pure Enrichment Pure Relief XL King Size. Number 3. Best heating pad for neck. Its large dimensions hug the major muscles of your upper half, and it has a soft, micro-mink exterior that feels nice against the skin. We love the included elastic belt that makes it easy to secure around the waist, and we appreciate the weight sewn into the perimeter of the shoulder flaps to help hold it in place up top. It has an admirable maximum temperature of 115.3 degrees Fahrenheit, and its single-button control panel is super easy to use with high, medium, low, and warm settings. Its 2-hour auto shut-off ensures that it doesn't stay on all night if you fall asleep with it on. Unfortunately, the size detracted from its performance as a neck and back pad. It isn't quite long enough to reach down to the lower back of folks 6 feet or taller, or those with long abdomens. The magnet on the collar is weak, and we struggled a bit more than we needed to keep it in place. The auto shut-off is also a permanent feature and can't be turned off. This may be a plus for some but could be a deal breaker for others who want their pad to run longer than 2 hours. Still, if you're searching for a heating pad designed to cover the neck, shoulders, and back all at once, this one is the best. Folks who specifically want to target their lower back should check out the Pure Enrichment Pure Relief Lumbar and Abdominal. Number 4. Best heating pad for lower back. Its tapered shape and built-in straps allow you to securely affix it to your lower back or abdominal area, providing targeted heat regardless of your position. The pad comes with a cold pack that can be put in the freezer and then placed in a slot on the pad, allowing for convenient hot and cold therapy. This model offers fast and intense heat when you need it, with a quick heat up time of under 2 minutes and a maximum temperature of 114 degrees Fahrenheit. Like all specialized heating pads, its shape and size make it a little difficult to use in areas outside of your midsection. The more symmetrical shape and added straps made it a bit easier to wrap and secure this pad on a knee or hamstring than the neck and shoulder models we reviewed. That said, it was still less amenable to these situations than the simple rectangular pads. But if your lower back and core usually give you grief, the Pure Enrichment Pure Relief Lumbar and Abdominal is the most convenient pad we tested for this specific purpose. If you want to target a broader area, the Pure Enrichment Pure Relief XL Back and Neck is great for the neck, shoulders, and back.